Everyone wanted to provide a quick video tutorial on how to double check the MMC entry has been submitted correctly. First of all, if you have not submitted it yet or you're unsure, go into the video description. There is a link to both text-based resources on how to ensure it's submitted and a video by myself showing you how to submit it. Once that's done, give yourself a 10 to 15 minute break, make yourself a drink, you've earned it. Once over, come back to your desk and take a look at go.resonite.com. Click here in Search for Worlds Beta and you'll be in this list. In the top search bar here, you want to type in the name of your world. You can copy paste this, etc., but I recommend removing MMC 26 or these like brackets because it might interfere with the search. So just the sort of text part of that. So I've got one I prepared earlier, so I'm going to hit paste. The lost scenery comes up and I can hit enter. And we'll just imagine that this is my MMC entry. I can then click into it and I can scroll down to the bottom where there is this section called MMC 2026 information. You're looking for 3 checkboxes here. The world is entered into the MMC 2026, the world is published, and then the category that it is entered into. If you don't see anything here, you might see some crosses or some errors or something. Make sure to follow up on that. Go reread the resources in the video description that show you how to submit it and try and figure out what's going wrong. Or contact someone on the MMC 2026 channel for some help, or maybe even a mentor. They'll be happy to show you what's up. I do want to cover as an advanced thing, so if you're good, you can help now, but as an advanced thing, what happens if you cannot find this world in the search bar, right? So we'll reset it, and it's like, I search for my world and no results come up. That means it might not actually be published, but there is a way to double check even that. What we can do is we can go across into Resonite here, and I've spawned out a world orb. This is Courtyard Onsen by June. What I can do is inspect this with a regular inspector, find the res rec for it, copy that, head back to the browser, go into any world, so you get the URL, go up to the URL bar, delete, paste in the res rec, remove the res rec from the front, and hit enter. And you'll see that we've loaded into Courtyard Onsen. Courtyard Onsen is not an MMC entry, but it was just a world orb I had to hand, and that way you'll be able to take a look at it even if maybe it's not published. It will need to be marked as public to see that, but that is also part of the submission guidelines. So if it also doesn't work on go.resonite.com following this advanced step, then you probably haven't published it or made it public or set its tags. So maybe go ahead and take a look at the resources in the video description. I'll see you next time.